All right, phase 2 is complete. As you can see, Heather's bike is a center stand now. You should go back to the phase 1 video. Did really well. I posted it, I think, last November. The black flies are out pretty bad today, so I'll be shorter than usual. But this bike is done. The only last upgrades it would ever receive is suspension upgrades to account for any extra sag that Heather may have, and give her an external reservoir possibly for valving and heat dissipation. But she has no ESA, so it'll be a much cheaper suspension upgrade. And eventually she wants to add a tail bag and a tank bag for touring. But there's nothing else in this bike that she will need or want. I know eventually Alt-Rider will put out their skid plate and crash bars, but those are nice to haves, not must haves, given the kind of style of riding Heather will be doing. So since the last phase 1 was complete video, we have added the Alt-Rider luggage rack. We've added the Sargent seat. We've added the Wunderlich engine protection guards. We've added the SW-Motech Ion adjustable foot pegs. They go up and down depending on your height, and also have a rubber cover, or you can go without the rubber cover. We've added a Touratech brake pedal, highway pegs that come out, and an SW-Motech low suspension center stand, which is pretty cool. Up top, we've added the Alt-Rider headlight guard. It's compatible with the Madstad winglets. Looks really nice together, actually. They're made by the same company if you look at them side by side. And over here, you've got the same engine guard from Wunderlich. And you've got SW-Motech adjustable shift lever. And the Wunderlich side stand switch guard right there between the two. That's it, right? Under the seat, we have added a dual USB port with a voltage meter. The remaining battery voltage, as well as 2 USB ports here. Also under here, we've added a power module, which is hidden right there. A fuse blocks, and the fuse blocks is powering both the USB port. Added a seated seat controller in case she ever wants to upgrade to a heated seat from Sargent. It also adds 2 SAE ports, one for charging the battery and one as a backup SAE port in case we ever want to add another USB port or some kind of heated gear outlet. So that's it. It's done. Of course, Jessie racks were already on there. We have both the Jessie luggage rack, soft luggage bracket for Moscow Motos, and we have the Jessie Challenger or Defender luggage pet boxes. I guess the final thing that Heather did add was a custom plate. So build is done. You guys have really enjoyed all the videos and liked them and commented on them and shared them with your friends. I'm really kind of blown away by the positivity of the 750 and 850 owners. Seriously, like, there's not many of you out there. This isn't a very high selling bike right now. It's only in its 2nd model year, and there's just not selling very many of them versus the other manufacturers. The Tiger 800, the 790 Adventure, a ton of other bikes out there that people are buying versus this thing. And the people that watch these videos have been really, really, really generous with commenting and giving thanks and asking Heather questions via email and private message. Seriously, like, more than the GS Boxer owners, this has been a pretty good vibe from you guys. So please get those comments coming. And if there's anything that you guys want me to install, then just let me know, and I will throw it on the bike and check it out. And I think in closing, I wanted to mention that if any manufacturers out there are making parts for the F750GS and you would like us to install them, test them, fit them, take product shots and videos of them, and then after a few weeks or months, take them off the bike and return them to you, please let me know. I'm not in the business of getting free stuff. In fact, the bike needs nothing else. But I do want to be a part of the solution of bringing great products to the adventure riding community. And so reach out to me. Let me know if you want me to test something out, and I will put it on the bike and install it and give you feedback. So short video, that's it for this series. Hopefully we'll see you guys out on the road at a rally this year. Heather loves the bike. I love it too. It sounds amazing, by the way, with the Acra exhaust and the Dominator linkage pipe. All right, that's all for now. Ride safe, everyone, and enjoy the future riding videos that Heather and I go on with her bike.